memorized the back of your neck before I knew I like tracing constellations in a sky I hadn't cried. Your laughter was a lighthouse, but I never saw the shore. I was collecting moments, not knowing what they were for.
You turned away, and I saw the future in your spine, a silent prophecy written in the curve of time. I held your shadow like a sacred souvenir. Love was archaeology, and you were disappearing.
I was archiving your touch like a song I'd never sing. Fascination was a premonition with the wedding ring. Now I dance with the echoes where your warmth used to be. The back of your neck still whispering to me.
You said forever like a breeze, says maybe I believed it. Like the ocean trusts the moon,